Hello, friends of the earth. I'm Daniel McKenzie here on the Daniel McKenzie Show. Today's video is going to be about my opinion about the weather and how the National Weather Service and the local TV stations make our weather look 10 times worse than what it really will be. I am here going to set the truth straight about the weather. This little area here in southwest Detroit, eastern Wayne County, down to the Monroe County line, we're spared a lot of bad weather that comes this way. Most of the time it goes north of Ann Arbor. It never ever hits where I'm at most of the time. It usually goes north, or sometimes it goes south of us. It'll hit Monroe or hit Toledo. It'll annihilate Toledo. So it'll get 10 inches of snow and we won't see a flake on the ground. Southwest Detroit has always been spared of extreme weather 9 times out of 10. The weather reports that are going on saying that we're expecting 6 to 11 inches of snow, they don't even know what the hell they're talking about. They just know that it's going to dump heavy amounts of snow somewhere. But I can assure you that 9 times out of 10, we're not going to get the worst of the storm. And it also goes with rain in the summertime. The humidity is usually worse here than it is anywhere else, because it'll try to rain, but it doesn't rain. And all the heat just builds up here in the southwest Detroit. It's like a hellhole in the summertime. It's hotter than Florida sometimes. Today's weather, I'm not saying it ain't going to dump snow, but it's not going to dump snow here in Detroit or here in the southwest area. We will get maybe a little bit. I'm expecting 3 to 4 inches max. The 6 to 12 or whatever the hell 2, 4, and 7 here in local channels said, they're whacked in the head. They make it, they do this to get ratings, because people be on the news constantly holding on. Oh, are we getting a tornado blizzard? And they just draw people out and they work their emotions. This kind of weather reporting has been going on since Katrina, because I don't think they projected Katrina hitting Louisiana like it did. I looked at that map and I said, it's going right into Louisiana, and there won't be no Louisiana or New Orleans. And there isn't. It's a dump to this day because of Katrina. I mean, it'll take 50 years to rebuild that place. And why? They're getting annihilated again for another tornado or a cyclone or a hurricane, whatever you want to call it. Most of our bad weather usually travels north of Ann Arbor, and it will keep on going north towards Brighton. It'll hit maybe Saginaw, Bad Axe. It might hit northern Oakland and Macomb counties. It'll touch those areas and north of there. Southwest Detroit is usually spared this bullshit weather. And when you all realize that closing schools down for no reason, and come on, look at the maps, look at the history of how the weather goes. I don't watch the weather because they're cuckoo head. I look at the satellite images, that's it. And I usually know how these storm bands go through and how they move. And if you watch it very closely, you'll know it won't hit you. But the news people can't explain that to you within a 1 minute forecast. Telling the forecast is more than 1 or 2 minutes. It's like 10 or 15 minutes explanation of what's going on, if you really want to know what's going on. But they don't got that kind of time to tell you about the weather. Oh, it's going to be 12 inches. No, you better go to Myers and buy everything off the shelf, because you're going to starve to death if you don't get it now. What bullshit. Don't go crazy, be buying 50 things of crap out of the store. You know, you're just making it worse for everybody else who might need things. Maybe give me a little extra, but don't be buying $500 worth of toilet paper to wipe your ass. And knowing how stupid you are after you didn't get all that snow. And for that, I end my rant. And y'all have a nice day. Hopefully you won't see all this snow unless you want it. If you want it, go to where it's snowing at. Don't bring it to my backyard. I hate the snow. I like it when it's hot and summery like. I do not like winter. So, like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me if I'm wrong. Whatever. I don't care. I just want to hear what you guys' opinions are. I really do. So, y'all have a nice day. And get the hell out of here. And get your snow shovels ready for that 3-4 inches of snow. And if you want to come to my house and do my snow, I'll give you a couple bucks. Sure, why not? I ain't shoveling that shit. Okay, GoPro, stop recording.